pila dan jengmut ne am banyo kelong. Kini kide ki sautli ki mak badan kam bangintim. Sedangnya ki folic acid tablets jongpi, let ban vaccinated persya ya ke rebella, sangya no ikijungnin bandi kiat bat smoking, sedang no ya ke balance diet at least syubenai shua banyo kun. But check iki blood sugar level, thyroid status, but ka hemoglobin timing jongpi baro arngot shilong.
Hargani ke Jylla leran lang Menteri rang ba ke Jylla u CONRAD kongkal sangma u Commissioner but Secretary ERTS u Pravin Bakshi ka Director jang Meghalaya State Lottery ke MSN Marak bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakaran ke Jylla CONRAD kongkal sangma uli ro ekni ke jing persyang banwan ra ek jing terekam ke bakhuj bat ke jing terekam ke bakam tebet ke bedai ke lottery da ke bapenan kam ki kor digital. Bat ulapen pauru ba ke lottery ke dai tang ke Jylla kai ke basyong ha kenusip. Kalat digital ke bakhuj kum ke easy lottery ke ailat giru shimet bar ke imlang salang bani ojing mentoy. Ulong babun kinong India mentai kladono ke por ba koridor jengki ha ke Jylla kai online games bagi Jylla thong ke babean. Ke basna khnang ban pen kerni kinong Jylla kai bat ula pen tikna bagi easy lottery ke dai ke belapen wandur. Ban pen long bat ban pen pra. Ka easy lottery kan dan kalat ke bagi nong job kin dan hado praspaan rup saungut na ke wei jing pandekhalai. Bat undang job buwan nengkong, unyo hadu san po Klur tengka. Bat kedor jong ke tiket kalong san hajar tengka. Kajing de tiket, kajing siu ke kusnam, kajing siu kajna, anle dakalat digital. Nrai tang ya kajing penekhalai nusip on le ke kor digital, nrai penan kam ke rukom ke balak mencania, bat ke bakhuj. Ya ke bau penan kam de motor, ha ke bau la ban le thok da ke mesin. Bat kajing mi na kajing penekhalai, kan syang bed ha ke nusip.
So we felt and we strongly feel that technology today has and is playing a very important crucial role in almost every aspect of our lives. And hence we felt strongly that even in gaming and especially in lottery, there was a huge opportunity for the state government, for the people who want to play, as well as for companies who are involved in this sector. To really open up a completely new market and a new, completely new sector in a way to this entire opportunity that is there in front of us. Number two, we strongly felt that this could lead to a large transparency in the system, which is something which to some extent, not to blame anybody, but there could be and there were some doubts that used to come in individuals and people's mind. We feel that technology can help us eliminate those doubts and we can actually have a more transparent, a more accountable system and a system that could be in one way would be able to track and keep record of the different activities in one way, and therefore we ensure that the transparency level and the overall monitoring level will go up. So it's a very, very good and a positive way of making this entire sector much more transparent and, as I said, much more accountable, and even the monitoring. And we strongly feel that, as I said, technology can play a very, very important role even in this sector, like it is playing in many, many other sectors.